Hello YouTube, welcome back. Well, we're here to review what else I picked up at my local Target today. I officially have found all four of the Mix 4 assortment of the Double Down Showdown packs, which features El Toro Loco versus Monster Mutt, Max D versus Alien Invasion, Blue Thunder versus Storm Damage, and Zombie versus Captain's Curse. One of the best things about the Zombie versus Captain's Curse is that these tires, as it says on the logos, glow in the dark. I'll probably show you this as it will be the best for last. And the best way I'm going to show you these tires glowing in the dark is with this black light. I know when Monster Jam OCD did a review on them before taking them out of the box, it was pretty cool that he made the tires glow in the dark before taking them out of the package, but I'd rather save that until they're out of the package. And I don't know why Monster Jam OCD didn't use a black light like that. I've been using black light on a bunch of things that glow in the dark like that, and I'll tell you, the black lights are the best way you can easily charge up a glow in the dark item like that. The black light literally charges up your glow in the dark things really quick, a lot more quicker than a really bright light like that. But other than that, for now, we're going to have these bright lights on while we look at all these other packs. And I gotta say, the most colorful trucks out of these two double packs would be the Max D and Alien Invasion, as well as Blue Thunder and Hurricane Force. Geesh, my tongue is really slipping. And one fact to tell you also about some of these trucks is that they were actually seen on the second episodes of that Monster Jam series called Revved Up Recaps. If you're able to look closely on some of these episodes, some of these trucks are featured in one of the Revved Up Recaps series. So we're going to take a closer look at these, and we're going to open up each package in the same order Monster Jam OCD did, from least favorite to number one favorite. So we're going to start off our unboxing and reviewing with El Toro Loco and Monster Mutt. Okay, and here they are now out of the box, El Toro Loco and Monster Mutt. And I'm not sure if I ever showed you this, but I believe so, that the double packs are totally including the complaint cards like this. And I believe the complaint cards are actually the same size as in the single packs with the double packs. I remember reviewing the Monster Dirt Arena set earlier. This was practically my first time showing you the size of the complaint card, that it's a whole lot bigger than in these. But enough talking with that. That's not the star of the show. These are the stars of the shows. And of course you can see El Toro Loco here has its regular orange-red body with a yellow roll cage, a grayish chassis, and orange tire rims, where Monster Mutt is regular, has a red roll cage, and more of a bone white tire rim. I think to start off in comparison, we're going to start off with Monster Mutt. I mean, we've seen him about 3 times this year, including the Mix 3 assortment. This is the Mix 3 assortment Monster Mutt with a chrome red tire rims, a chrome chassis, gold and brown roll cage, and about it. And then, of course, here's the Mix 4 singles version with a black roll cage, chrome tire rims, and a chrome chassis. And yeah, very truly, if you're able to look closely at the tire rims on this version of Monster Mutt, this is definitely a bone white color and all, and I love the chrome chassis very, very much. Then here's El Toro Loco to look at. He's pretty interesting. Still definitely has the same orange body, and there's no way I knew they could change it, because how the casting is, it's all for the costing and all. And I will tell you, judging by the way the roll cages are colored, this is also very good for when you want to customize them or do body swaps. And I think the yellow roll cage is really cool, because it matches the horns. And comparing to the Mix 1 assortment vinyl variation, I think the orange tire rims in this shade of light, probably to another shade of light, are totally the same. But in this shade of light, these look darker, and only these over here look lighter. But looking at the rear tire rims, they're definitely the same color. So, minor difference, just a yellow roll cage. And, of course, this one has the chrome chassis, while this has a more plastic gray chassis. So there's your difference in between those two. Let's move on to the next Max D versus Alien Invasion. Right, well, looking at them out of the box, you can pretty much say this is kind of a Nitro Neon series, which is now out of the package. Because when it comes to Nitro series, there's always a different color roll cage with colored tires like that. But I think out of these two trucks, what really counts as a Nitro Neons has to be Alien Invasion, which we're going to look at first. We'll save Max D for later. Because one of the cool things here about Alien Invasion, aside from just having a plastic chassis and a green tires and all, if you look really closely, he actually has a lime green windshield. Now that is a really, really excellent touch, and I'm hearing that we're actually seeing Alien Invasion 4 times, including in this series, we've seen him in the blue ice version, as well as the Mix 4 Legacy series. We actually are going to get an Arena Favorites yeah, we're supposed to get an Arena Favorites Alien Invasion, which I believe is coming out in Mix 7. Yeah, Mix 7 is when we'll have that. There are a few differences between the Legacy series and the Arena Favorites. So I'd say we're seeing Alien Invasion about 5 times. So far, we've seen him 3 times in my videos, including Legacy series from Mix 4, Nitro Neons, Mix 4 double packs, and the Mix 1 single packs in the ice form. I will tell you, these Alien Invasions are very cool. So the next time we'll see him will be from Mix 7's Arena Favorites, as well as from a playset that I have yet to get called the Ship It Flip It set, in which I believe he has a blue roll cage. We'll definitely take a closer look if I ever find that. And I gotta say, these Alien Invasions are pretty cool to look at in comparison, but by far it's really unique that Alien Invasion has this lime green roll cage with lime green tires and black tire rims. Really, really cool like that. And the lime green windshield really makes it blend in very, very well. Okay, and then here's the Nitro Neons look of Max D with a yellow roll cage and yellow tires, along with a gray plastic chassis. And me and Monster Jam OCD have been pretty skeptical about them having a yellow Nitro Neons Max D, because at first it seemed that yellow really didn't suit it. It seemed that orange was more suitable. I mean, if you're able to look here at the Mix 1 version of Max D, we all know that it always has the tangerine orange tire rims, and I'm not sure which parts of Max D are orange or yellow, but I do know that Monster Jam OCD has a point that the younger crowds will definitely love the bright yellow roll cage and tires. I mean, yellow has always been the brightest colors, like really popping out like that. As of now that I look at the body, there are some parts of Max D that's written, like, what about this side of the truck? How it says Max D, Maximum Destruction, that's yellow. And I think the inner flames like that, those are kind of yellow, with a little bit of orange, sort of a yellow-orange, so I don't really mind Max D having the yellow for Nitro Neon series. That's really, really unique. Alright, well there you have it. Let's move on to the next double pack of Nitro Neons.